Welcome to New Car Toyota Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts straight from our dealership to your door. This is the 2016 to 2018 Toyota RAV4 Mudflap Splash Guard set of 4. These guards protect your vehicle's lower body from road debris, mud, and water spray while maintaining that clean factory appearance. These splash guards fit RAV4 models from 2016 through 2018, including popular trims like the LA, XLE, and Limited. Your RAV4's Mudflap splash guards deflect road debris, gravel, and slush away from your vehicle's lower body panels and wheel wells, preventing paint chips and corrosion. Without them, your rocker panels take a beating every time you drive through construction zones or winter roads. Genuine Toyota guards are precision molded to fit your 2016 to 2018 RAV4's exact contours, ensuring proper coverage and a clean factory look. Shop our full catalog of genuine OEM Toyota parts at newcartoyotaparts.com. Every part comes with warranty protection, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping right to your door. Not sure if this part fits your vehicle? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the exact right part for your Toyota. You'll find your VIN on the driver's side dashboard, inside the door jamb, or on your registration card. It's 17 characters that tell us exactly what vehicle you have. Shop with New Car Toyota Parts for genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket when you can get the real thing.